Well, good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. This morning, I'm going to be showing you how to make the craft for the Snowflake story time. So if you got a Little Explorers kit for the month of January, go ahead and grab your Snowflake Storytime kit. And this morning, we are going to be making some snow globes together. Isn't that fun? So to make this craft, let's see what we need. So first, we need a clear plastic plate, and this is going to be the top of your snow globe. You need a blue paper plate, and this is going to be the bottom of your snow globe. We've got our little penguin that goes inside for decoration. Some snow for the bottom to make it look like a winter wonderland. And all of our snowflakes that shake around and make it look like it's snowing. So first, I am going to take out my penguin and dress him up for the winter cold. So, what are some things that you wear outside in the cold to keep yourself warm? What's something you wear out to keep your head warm? Maybe a hat or some earmuffs. Let's see, I've got a hat. I've got some earmuffs. Maybe a scarf to keep your neck warm. Or what about to keep your hands warm? Some gloves or some mittens? And what is something delicious that you can drink when you go inside to warm up after fun in the snow? A cup of hot cocoa. So let's see, what do I think my penguin needs? I think he needs a scarf. So I'll give him a scarf to keep him warm in his snow globe. Okay. And I think he needs some earmuffs because they match his scarf so well. And I will give him a delicious cup of hot chocolate. Okay, so now that my penguin is all ready for the snow, I'm going to put him off to the side here and get out my blue paper plate. That's going to be the bottom of our snow globe. And then I'm going to get my glue stick and I'm going to put my snowman, I keep calling him a snowman, my penguin into the snow globe. So I'm going to put glue all over the back. I want to glue him down really good so when I'm shaking my snow globe, he doesn't start flying around everywhere with the snow. And I'm just going to stick him down really, really good. All right, so now we've got our penguin in there, ready to go. Then I'm going to take my cotton balls and I'm going to make it look extra snowy on the ground. So I'm going to take them and I'm going to peel them apart. Super careful so that I don't rip them, but just so they look like fluffy snow. See? Okay, so there's one. Now I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to glue all over the bottom of the plate and the feet of my penguin, so that it looks like he's standing in the snow. And then I'm gonna glue my cotton balls down. And I'm gonna do it with a couple more just to cover the bottom of the plate. So you can kind of see what it's looking like here. I think one more should do it. Let's see. Perfect. Okay, so now it looks like my little penguin is standing in some snow. So, you also have a couple little snowflakes in your stickers. So I'm gonna take those and stick them above my penguin to make it look like there's snow all around him. It's tricky. There we go. One snowflake, and I've got one more. I'll put it on the other side. Just like that. And then I'm going to take all of my snow. Be careful because it could be messy. And I'm gonna dump it right in the middle, super careful, right on top of my penguin, right in the middle of the plate. You wanna keep it as far away from the edges as you can because you're gonna put glue around the edges to glue down the other plate and all of your snow will get stuck. So I've got all my snow in there. Now I'm gonna take my glue stick, and I don't know if you can see me, but I'm gonna go right around the edge of my plate. Can you see that? And I'm gonna do that all the way around. Oh, see? It'll get stuck. I'm gonna push my snowflakes back in the middle. I'm gonna go more careful all the way around my plate. Okay, now I'm going to take the top of my snow globe and I'm going to stick it down and I'm going to press really hard and go around my whole plate, around the edges, and make sure that it's glued down. Now here is the hard part. Now we have to wait a little bit just to make sure that everything is glued together before we start shaking it. And I am actually even going to put, I have a little book here. This is the book that we'll be reading in story time tomorrow. It's called The Little Snowflake. And I'm going to set that right on top to just give it some extra weight to help it glue down. And then after you've waited a little bit and it's super glued together, it is going to look something like this. And then you can shake it around and watch the snow fly around your penguin. And there is a string in there if you want to put a little hole punch at the top and make it like an ornament. So thank you so much for joining me this morning, and I hope you had just as much fun making this craft as I did, and I hope you tune in tomorrow to see our story time, and I'm going to read you The Little Snowflake. So thank you so much, and I'll see you later. Bye!